With nearly 100 years of experience, the Hadassah Medical Organization has earned the reputation as world experts in researching and treating the widest range of medical issues. We uncover the mysteries of heart disease and make women's health a priority. We tackle the toughest riddles of cancer, multiple sclerosis, chronic diseases, diabetes, and Parkinson's disease. By harnessing the promise of stem cells, we hope to fight genetic disorders and many terrible diseases afflicting humankind. We respond to the challenges of human suffering with imagination, courage, and action. We staff our laboratories and hospitals with the finest scientific and medical minds in the world. Working tirelessly together, we cure disease, heal injuries, and ease the pain and sorrow of our global family.
Hadassah is not just a hospital. Hadassah is a research center, but it's very special research, medical research. We are physicians, doctors, and surgeons, and what we will try to do is to solve medical problems. And by looking at all the different type of activities, we recognize the stem cell research is the future in solving medical problems.
Researchers at Hadassah's Goldine Savid Institute for Gene Therapy are internationally recognized as pioneers in the field of human embryonic stem cell research. Together with research partners in Australia and Singapore, we were the second group in the world to derive human embryonic stem cells from human embryos. And more recently, we were the first to perform stem cell implantation into mice afflicted with Parkinson's disease, which significantly decreased their symptoms.
Human embryonic stem cells are unique in the universe because of their properties, which are being able to proliferate indefinitely in culture and their potential to give rise to any cell of the human body. Therefore, human embryonic stem cells may serve as an unlimited source of various types of humanized cells. And the unique thing about Hadassah here is the tight collaboration that we are all having with the same vision that we would like to see human embryonic stem cells serving as a source of cells for transplantation in human disorders. I think that given the experimental data that we have today, there is proof of concept in animal models that human embryonic stem cells can improve symptoms, and we just need the appropriate support to be able to exploit their potential.
One of the main notions of research in Hadassah is that the research is done by physicians, and the team leaders of the research groups are physicians. It means that when you go in the morning to see your patients and then you go to the lab, you know exactly what you are looking for and whom you are going to help by your research activities.
Hadassah's Center for Pediatric Metabolic Diseases is the largest of its kind in Israel and the only center that combines all aspects of metabolic diseases. We focus on research and treatment to save children who are dying from the devastating inability to process nutrients. Because of the high rate of interfamily marriages in ultra-Orthodox Jewish neighborhoods and Palestinian villages, there is a higher occurrence of life-threatening birth defects. We are uniquely positioned in proximity as well as expertise to identify the faulty genes and devise strategies to combat these diseases.
The ability that has developed now is the ability to look at the DNA of the patient and to search for regions which the patient received from both parents which are identical. And our working hypothesis was that within these regions we will find the diseased gene. We were able suddenly to diagnose patients that we were hopeless about. We were able to provide families with new genes that were not known up to the time when we discovered them. As far as I can see the future of gene therapy, of stem cell therapy, it is all about correcting what went wrong at the beginning. So it's fantastic because for a child, for a family, if you're able to offer them a cure, a resolution, improvement in the child health, you know, as a parent, I can't think of something more to give, to offer to another parent.
I think that our vision is that we will be able to contribute to develop this new mode of therapy. And this would be a great achievement. And I think that we are very proud to be in Hadassah that allows us to do this research and support this important research that may eventually lead to helping so many people worldwide.
I think Hadassah is unique by the emphasis we put here on research. The interface between science and medicine. This is the hottest place in Israel.
Research done in Hadassah are affecting everyone in the world. We are the pioneers in this specific type of research in which we can touch the life of every one of you, your family member or your friend.